In these weird times we find ourselves in, I know there'll be many of you who still want to improve your pronunciation. So I've put together a 10-day challenge that can help you with that and at the same time provide you with a bit of oomph. That's a technical term for motivation. This 10-day challenge will include some of the insights, techniques and methods that I use with my clients. You'll be getting access to all that for free, that's right, at no cost to you. I'm doing this for a limited time as I know many of you are struggling on many fronts. This challenge can add a little focus to your day and take you away from all that's happening around you. Not only can you make improvements to your pronunciation by participating in this challenge, but you can also pick up valuable insights and methods for your continuing improvement. This is ideally suited for those at the upper intermediate to advanced levels. I'm not going to say much more about it here. If you think this might be something that might interest you, just check out the link or details below. You will find out who it's for, what you will get, and how you can qualify to be included. Looking forward to meeting you on the challenge. It's been Andrew Weiler here. Bye for now.